Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear students, I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Welcome to our online platform of NIVS Home School. Here I am Muhammad Faruk Hossain, Assistant English Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Deship. Dear students, now I am going to conduct an English first paper class for the students of class 6. And our today's topic is from your EFT books regarding a paragraph, and it's about a rickshaw puller, and it's paragraph 1 rickshaw puller, then lecture number 5, homework number 5. You have a homework regarding this paragraph. Dear students, regarding your EFT book, we have given this paragraph to you. That means in your EFT book you will get a lot of professionals papers. Okay, so first of all, at the time of writing any paragraph, first of all, you need to answer few questions. That means you will get few questions and you have to solve that questions within the paragraph. So I have written a rickshaw puller here. By saying this, you have to evaluate or you have to understand, you have to write a paragraph on which topic. So at the time of writing, you will write the title first. Okay, then you will start the writing. Imagine that this is the margin, then you have written the title here, then you will start writing the paragraph from here like this: a rickshaw puller is a something. Then, dear friends, a great mistake done by you is that at the time of paragraph, few of you gives spaces within the lines, but try to mind that in paragraph there would be no spaces between the lines. Whether it's composition on the time, you can give spaces. Okay, so in paragraph writing you can't give any spaces. Okay, so try to mind it. Then we will go to the questions. Who is a rickshaw puller? Dear friends, a rickshaw puller is too much familiar to you. Then a rickshaw puller is a quite familiar person in cities and towns who pulls a rickshaw for money. Okay, so a rickshaw puller is basically too much familiar person in cities and towns and who pulls rickshaws for money. Okay, this is the basic definition of rickshaw puller. Then where does he live? Actually, his income is not too much or sufficient. So normally a rickshaw puller lives in slums in towns and cities. How does he support his family? A rickshaw puller's income is not too much sufficient to run the family. He needs to toil too much. As a result, he can't run his family properly. He toil from, or he costs his labor from down to the dusk, but to support his family, he has to face few difficulties. And then last question is, how does he pass his days? I told it you before that he leads a very miserable life and he needs to toil too much by pulling the rickshaw, but on the contrary he get less money to run the family, less income to run the family. Just by answering all these questions is not the only answer. That means you have to answer all these 4 questions. Along with, you have to add additional informations to complete the paragraph. Dear students, and your homework number 5 is the same. That means homework number 5 is same. That means you have to complete this paragraph and submit it on next Saturday. Dear students, I hope all of you got today's class and it would be very much easier to understand and to write the homework. This is the end of the class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.